Good morning guys, breakfast na naman kami. Hindi makakapunta si Lyra at saka si Tony kasi si Tony daw, he's not feeling well. So, kami lang muna ni Manay at saka Danny Boy. He's preparing the strawberries para sa pancakes. So, I'm cooking bacon. And then, ito yung pancake. Kasi yung mga bata, sobrang gustong-gusto nila yung pancake. And then, eggs. Tapos na yung eggs. And then, yan yung mga luto na bacon. So, pancake tayo. Ito. White wings buttermilk pancakes. Yan. So, ito yung nilalagyan mo na lang ng tubig. Sobrang dali lang. Mix, mix, mix lang. Lagyan ng tubig. Yan na. Ganda. Ang ganda naman yan. May papom-poms ka dyan, ha? Baba, good morning. Morning, Baba. Hi. Ayun, tumakbo. Asan na yun? Pap. Hi. Hi, look. Hi, guys. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Tapos na kumain yung mga bata at saka yung mga boys, guys. So, kami naman ni Manay.
Ang ulam ko is pancake with rice.
Kainin mo talaga yan? Yung pancake with rice? Di ako kumakain ng pancake. Di ako mahilig. Akin, isang bacon at konting rice. Tapos mayroon kami mga egg dyan. Oo.
Pancake.
Yummers. Yummers! Do you like that toy, Zach?
Good.
Uh-oh.
What's just fishing again? No.
It's very sensitive now. I think it's broken.
Oh, we can always come up there.
Yeah, we should.
Uh-oh. Watch out. Ooh. Go do it, Zach.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to stop. It's 8 hours.
Yeah.
Cute nila, guys. Cute. Look at that. Ayan na, guys. Tapos na tayo. Ayan. Ligpit-ligpit na. Si Manay, parang tapos na ito. Si Manay, yan yung plato niya. Pinalitan si Holly kasi nagpupup ang ating Holly girl. So, ligpit-ligpit din pag may time, guys.
I don't
She
know.
hasn't had the koala.
Haven't you had a koala yet?
No, because I asked him, I said, I want to have a food because everyone Filipino that I see from Australia, they always have koala next to you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Next time we'll go to like a wildlife park. So you can hold
We
it.
went to the zoo, but I didn't see koala.
Nah.
It's different one.
Yeah.
I think not all zoos have like
I like the big one, like you know when you had.
Yeah, you get the ones in the hills.
Nagre-ready na sila umalis, guys. Si Dan meron siyang pa-surprise. Iba din tong lalaking to. Bumili daw siya ng Bumili daw siya ng chocolate para sa mga bata. Nandun bibigyan niya daw sa mga bata. Parang ito yung isa sa paborito niyang holiday eh. Kasi chocolate pa more. Nagre-ready na sila. Alis na sila. Ang cute kapag naririnig mo yung bata, sinasabi Tito Dan, diba? Look, pinatawag ni Dan yung mga bata.
And it's not that salty.
Who likes chocolate? Hey, Kat. Where's Holly? This is your Easter present.
Whoa! Easter comes early for the boys. Aww. Yay! Oh, they look happy.
Oh, they're all the same.
They're all
the same.
Oh, that's swap, so with Holly.
Yeah, swap with Holly.
Oh, well, they're all the same.
Swap, Baba, with Kuya TJ.
This one,
See, look. Pink!
Pink, top for
Pink,
teacher.
yeah.
Top for teacher.
You can't eat it until you
Yeah.
You can't eat it. You can't.
Listen to Tito
You
Dan.
have a boy.
But you can't eat it yet until your mum and dad say so.
That's right. You have to eat it.
Oh, they're happy. Do you like it?
It's a boy. What you gonna say to Tito Dan? Saki, what you gonna say to Tito Dan? Apat. Holly, high five. Tito Dan, high five.
Appear, Tito Dan.
High five.
Aww.
Thanks.
That's a yellow one.
Say thank you to Tito Dan, Kuya. High five to Tito Dan, Kuya.
Thank you.
You can't eat it yet.
Until mommy.
To take home.
Yeah, home.
That's a big one. Lucky.
Surprise. Holly.
Lucky.
That for mama?
Now let's say it.
You have your shoes on already. You're leaving me again, Baba. When will I see you again? Hey. Bye.
Totoo na, uwi na kami. Alis na kami, guys. Thank you.
Anytime man
Yeah,
yan.
thank you, ha. Thank you. Bye na to Tita Ray's. Uy.
Baba! Iwan mo na naman ako.
Si Tita Ray's, oh. Manood na lang tayo mag-vlog.
Bye! Oh, alis na sila.
Uy, salamat sa ano, ha?
Ano? It's okay!
That's alright. Don't take the trailer.
Nakaalis na sila, guys. Ide-deflate ko na yung bed. Kasi, wala na sila. At least, 'di ba? Naayos ko yung ng slight lang naman. Yung filming room ko. Kasi ito, ang gulo nito eh. May table dito, ganun-ganon. So, yeah, at least. Sana okay lang yung bed. Medyo hard siya. Pero, hindi ko alam, hindi ko siya talaga ma-review kasi hindi naman ako natulog dyan. Meron kasi, 'di ba, kapag bed naman kasi, kapag higa-higa ka dyan, una, sabihin mo comfy. Sana okay lang. Sana man ay nag-enjoy ka. Balik kayo. Kasi may bed na kayo. Para sa kanila talaga to. Okay. Ito, meron siyang built-in na ano, guys, 'di ba? Napakita ko na ba to? Meron siyang built-in na what do you call this? Pump. So, kapag dineflate mo siya, iganon mo lang siya dun. Yan. Tapos, kung lalagyan mo naman siya ng hangin, pa dito naman yung arrow pababa. So, yan. Iwan ko lang yan siya dyan. And it's really quick. Tingnan nyo, guys. Deflate na siya. So, wala na yung mga airbeds. Hindi naman wala. Pero, ano ko na siya. Ito, guys, maganda to, ha. Again, hindi ko siya natulugan ko. So, hindi ko alam talaga yung comfort level niya. Pero, velour airbed. Hindi ko siya ma-push all the way kasi ano na siya, of course, 'di ba? Iba yung packaging sa original eh, pero yeah. See? Ang galing lang. So masustore ko na siya sa isa sa mga cabinets namin. And parang wala lang nangyari. Lagi ko siya diyan. Yan. And then ito, galing to sa mama ni Dan. Yung mga yan, galing yan sa mama ni Dan. Sobrang thank you sa pagpahiram. Itong blanket, itong towel na to, amin to. Pero yeah, looks like hindi ito nagamit nila Manay. Iwawash lang namin yung mga nagamit, tapos ibabalik namin sa bahay ng mama niya. Kapag natuyo na. But yeah, yan. Sila naglilinis na ng bahay. And then, I think I'm gonna edit a video, tapos I will take a good rest. Salamat Manay sa pagpapaunlak. Char, pagpaunlak talaga. Nag-offer ako na dito sila magstay. Salamat, pumayag kayo. Sobrang saya kasama ni Manay. Sobrang dami. Ang dami-dami ko natutunan sa kanya. As in, sobra. And, yeah. Saludo ako sa mga nanay, guys. As in, sobrang saludo ako sa inyong lahat. Alam ko na hindi madali. Pero, yeah. Sobrang saludo. Anyway, hindi ako buntis, ha. Okay. I-ano ko muna, ililipit ko muna itong mga to. And then, siguro matutulog ako kung no. May laundry pa pala. Kasi hindi kami naka-laundry. Pero okay lang yan. Madali lang naman yun eh. I-chuck mo lang yun. Tapos wait ka na, diba? Okay. Let's do this. Alright. What are we doing?
Blending.
What?
Blending.
Blending. Okay, babe. Sige, show them what you're blending, babe.
Show my ingredients.
We've got
Spinach,
spinach,
banana,
banana,
cucumber,
cucumber,
carrot,
carrot,
apple.
apple! Yay! Let's do this! Para to sa kanyang diet journey. Char! Diet journey! Hello, wait, that battery is dying as well.
Is it?
Shoot, boss.
That's alright.
The other one's charging. So, we will use his Ninja. Nutri Ninja blender. There, that one. Itong maliit. Yan. Yan yung gagamitin namin, guys. Gosh, my battery is dying. Why? Oh, why? Banana! And then you... Well, babe, this is dirty. Like, I'll peel this.
Okay.
Peel, peel, peel. Where is the peel? Okay, you put the carrots in.
It's pretty full.
It is, I know. Babe, remember you're on a diet, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, careful.
It's all healthy.
Yeah. So he will be on a what do you call that, babe? Shake diet? I don't know. So this is what you're gonna eat for dinner. Tapos, what else, babe? Maybe just do that first and then put the spinach later na? Oh. You should have put that first.
I should have probably.
Spinach. It's alright. We learn along the way. And that's it. Sige.
It's pretty full.
It is. Yeah.
Put some water in it.
Water. Konti. Who taught you this?
What?
Where? Hello, wait!
His answer's Max.
Oh my gosh, I think that's way too much water.
It says Max.
Yeah, that's max, but you don't have to add that much. I think that's way too much water. Whoa! Okay na. Just adding more kasi hindi magkasya kanina. There you go, see? I think that's sobrang dami ng tubig, babe. Is that you din eh?
That's my dinner.
That's a lot of grains. A lot of grains. Guys, katatapos ko lang mag-shower. Nag-shower ako kasi para may energy kasi sobrang weak ko kanina. Gusto ko gamitin tong pa-oil ni Manay. Galing to kay guys, Joe Malone. Sobrang bango kasi nito. In-apply niya sa akin to kahapon. Tapos, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung amoy niya. And alam niyo naman ako, naglo-lotion ako araw-araw talaga. Now, di ba, tapos na ako maligo. Hindi pa ako nag-lotion kasi gusto ko siya i-try. Kahapon nilagay ito ni Manay sa pa-shoulder ko. And as in, sobrang bango niya. And binigyan niya din ako nitong maliit na Jo Malone na lime basil and mandarin cologne. Yan. Actually, hindi ko alam yung mga Jo Malone, guys. Nakita ko lang yung Jo Malone na boxes kasi sobrang dami ni Manay. Nung nagpunta kami sa Mount Gambier, sa bathroom nila, sobrang daming mga boxes ng Jo Malone. Pero like, hindi ko alam kung ano. And I didn't even bother like asking her kung ano yun. Pero as in na, laman ko talaga siya kung ano siya. Nung na-mention na si Kath na gusto niya ng Jo Malone. Pero itong oil, ko siya, itatry ko siya. Hindi ito yung niya, halalagyan niya. Nilalagay lang daw ni Manay dito kasi yung oil niya sobrang laki daw. So nilalagay niya sa maliit para hindi like, aksaya siguro or ewan ko. Ay, ang bango talaga nito. Grabe. Ipapaamoy ko to kay Dan. Tingnan natin kung maaakit siya sa akin. Aakitin talaga. Ay, ang bango nito. Grabe. Okay, tama na. Hindi ko na yun gagamitin kasi baka maubos ko yan. Babe, smell me. What does that mean?
Okay, what is it?
I don't think you smelled that right here. Smell it. What does that mean?
I don't know. Smells.
Smells good?
Alright.
Manay gave me, Chona gave me a Jo Malone. Do you know what Jo Malone is, babe? Have you heard of Jo Malone?
No.
No?
No.
She gave me a body oil. It smells really good. I really like it.
Okay.
I know. Thank you, Manay. Yeah, smells good. I love it. Naakit ka na ba sa akin, babe?
Sorry?
Naakit ka sa akin? Yeah? Oh, no. This is my snack. Actually, siguro dinner ko na to kapag hindi ako gutumin after. I'm watching Ryland Adams' video, yung binilhan niya ng G-Wagon, yung kanyang dog, kakaloka. But yeah, kain guys! Kain! Guys, I am cooking Dan's favorite. Yummers! Paborito niya to. He loves the smell of this. Sarap daw. Ang sarap ng amoy daw. Yeah. Diba, babe?
Hate it.
Yummer! Feel ko magtuyo. So, gusto ko sana lutuin yung binigay ni Ann. Kaya lang pag-check ko sa freezer, meron pa nito. So, sabi ko, ubusin ko na lang kasi 4 na lang natira eh. So, kainin natin yung 4 na sap-sap na yan. Yummers na yummers. And then yung ating rice is cooking. And manonood kami ng Married at First Sight. Kain na! Sap-sap, rice, and vinegar with chili flakes. Yum! Kain tayo, guys. Guys, itatry ko tong 3-step mask. First time ko siya gagamitin. Ang tagal na nito sa ko, guys, dun sa drawer ko. Kaya lang hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi ang dami niyang ganap. So, itatry ko siya ngayon. This is the step 1. So, I think this is, siya? Goat milk whitening ampule. So, ilalagay mo siguro yan sa face mo. And then, ito yung mask. And then, after the mask, ito. So, yeah. Let's do this. Very, very moist. Dami niyang pagganap. Pwede ko na itong gawing lotion. Ito naman ginagawa ko lagi sa mask ko. Ginagawa ko siyang lotion. Ang ginagawa ko sa mask ko, sinihintay ko sila na mag-dry talaga sa mukha ko. Kahit na usually, sinasabi nila 10 to 15 minutes or like 15 to 20 minutes. Ako, pinapastay ko dyan hanggang mag-dry. Kasi nasasayangan ako eh. After nyan, yung last step na, yung step 3. Yung step 1, hindi ko naubos kasi ang dami, guys. Tapos yung step 2, ilo-lotion ko to sa buong katawan ko. And then, maya, balikan natin yung step 3. Nakakatamad na i-on yung ilaw, guys. Pero ilalagay ko na yung step 3. Goat milk whitening cream. Ala, whitening pala to. Ganito siya, very thick yung consistency niya. Actually, ito, pwede ko tong itago. Pwede ko tong gamitin. Ayokong damihan kasi very moisturized na yung mukha ko. Tingnan natin bukas. Hindi ako mag-vlog bukas eh. Sana maalala ko, i-remind kayo na kung anong ganap nitong mask na to. Kung meron akong nakitang like, sobrang, over na difference talaga, sasabihin ko sa Instagram story ko, guys. Anyway, yun na yung vlog ko, guys. Sobrang thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Good night, babe.
Sorry.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye, guys.